ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ 50 MCQ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಿಂದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀರೆಂದು ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರದಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್? A. Compact operating menu, particularly under in technical and education research. B. Commonly operating machine, particularly used for technical and education research. C. Commonly operating machine, particularly useful for timing education research. D. None of the above. Answer B. Commonly operating machine, particularly used for technical and education research. Next, the small storage unit of computer is dash. A. Bit. B. Nibble. C. KB. D. Bytes. Answer A. Bit. Next, in computer storage system, one nibble equal to dash. A. 1 bit. B. 8 bytes. C. 4 bits. D. 1 kilobyte. Answer C. 4 bits. Next, in computer storage system, 1 byte is equal to dash. A. 8 bits. B. 1 nibble. C. 4 bits. D. 1 kilobyte. Answer A. 8 bits. Next, what is the full form of CPU? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Control Processing Unit. C. Control Principal Unit. D. Computer Processing Unit. Answer A. Central Processing Unit. Next, how many parts are there in CPU? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer C. 3. Next, the brain of computer is dash. A. CU. B. ALU. C. MU. D. CPU. Answer D. CPU. Next, which of the following is not an example of software? A. MS Office. B. Adobe. C. Chrome. D. Keyboard. Answer D. Keyboard. How many computer generations are there? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer D. 5 generations. Next, what is the time duration of first generation computer? A. 1939 to 1945. B. 1946 to 1959. C. 1959 to 1965. D. None of the above. Answer B. 1946 to 1959. Next, in first generation of computer, which technology was used? A. ICs. B. Transistor. C. Vacuum tube. D. VLSI. Answer C. Vacuum tube. Next, in computer memory system, Full form of KB dash. A. No bit. B. Kilobyte. C. Ni bit. D. Ni byte. Answer B. Kilobyte. Next, 1 kilobyte equal to dash. A. 1000 bytes. B. 1024 bytes. C. 1 MB. D. 1 GB. Answer B. 1024 bytes. Next, how many types of memory are there in computer? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 5. Answer B. 2. Next, which of the following is the example of volatile memory? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. RAM. D. ROM. Answer C. RAM. Next, full form of RAM dash. A. Read access memory. B. Random access memory. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer B. Random access memory. Next, which of the following is, for example, to input device? A. Mouse. B. Scanner. C. Keyboard. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next, CPU consists of dash. A. ALU plus CU plus MU. B. RAM plus ROM. C. RAM plus ALU. D. ROM plus CU. Answer A. ALU plus CU plus MU. Which of the following is the valid measurement unit of memory? A. KB. B. MB. C. TB. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next, how many arrow keys are in the keyboard? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer C. 4 arrow keys. Next, how many keys are in the standard keyboard? A. 101. B. 102. C. 103. D. 104. Answer D. 104. Next, the list of coded instructions in computer is called dash. A. Algorithm. B. Flow chart. C. Computer program. D. None of the above. Answer C. Computer program. Next, the part of CPU which perform all mathematical operations. A. CU. B. Memory. C. ALU. D. Register. Answer C. ALU. Next, example of hardware. A. Keyboard. B. Mouse. C. Monitor. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next, how many types of software are there in computer? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 3. Answer B. 2. One is system software, second one application software. Next, FIFO full form dash. A. First enter, first opening. B. First in, first out. C. First instruction, first operate. D. None of the above. Answer B. First in, first out. Next, types of RAM dash. A. SRAM. B. DRAM. C. Both. D. None of the above. Answer C. Both. Next, shortcut key of folder creation. A. F2. B. Control C. C. Control plus Shift plus N. D. Control. Answer C. Control plus Shift plus N. Computer shutdown shortcut key dash. A. Alt F4. B. Control F4. C. Shift. D. All. Answer A. Alt F4. Next, computer refresh shortcut key is dash. A. F4. B. F6. C. F5. D. F7. Answer C. F5. Next, which of the following is the example of operating system? A. Windows. B. Apple. C. Linux. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next, what is the use of Ctrl plus Z? A. For copy. B. For undo. C. For paste. D. For delete. Answer B. For undo. What is the use of Shift plus delete? A. For temporary delete. B. For backup. C. For permanent delete. D. None. Answer C. For permanent delete. Next, Control plus C is used for dash. A. Cut. B. Paste. C. Copy. D. Redo. Answer C. Copy. What is the shortcut key for select all? A. Control B. B. Alt A. C. Control A. D. Alt B. Answer C. Control A. Control X is used for dash. A. Cut. B. Copy. C. Paste. D. Delete. Answer A. Cut. Next, what is the example of binary number? A. 0 and 1. B. 1 and 2. C. 2 and 3. D. 3 and 4. Answer A. 0 and 1. Next, bits stands for dash. A. Binary digits. B. Bin digits. C. Bin file. D. None of the above. Answer A. Binary digits. Next, which of the following is the logic gate? A. And. B. Or. C. Not. D. All. Answer D. All. Next, the two kinds of main memory are dash. A. CD and DVD. B. RAM and ROM. C. Primary and secondary. D. All of the above. Answer B. RAM and ROM. Next, operating system is the example of dash. A. Hardware, B. Software, C. Both, D. None of the above. Answer B. Software. Next, email stands for dash. A. Eject mail, B. Enter mail, C. Electronic mail, D. All of the above. Answer C. Electronic mail. Next, Gmail stands for dash. A. Global mail, B. Google mail, C. Both, D. None. Answer B. Google mail. Next, half byte or 4 nibble is called dash. A. Pixel, B. Memory, C. Nibble, D. None. Answer D. None. Next, how much data can be stored in CD? A. 500, B. 600, C. 700, D. 1024 MB. Answer C. 700 MB. Next, hard disk drive is example of dash memory. A. Primary, B. Cache, C. Secondary, D. Main memory. Answer C. Secondary. Next, keyboard is the example of dash. A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Both, D. None of the above. Answer A. Input device. Next, monitor is example of dash. A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Both, D. None of the above. Answer B. Output device. Next, how many function keys are there in keyboard? A. 4, B. 8, C. 16, D. 12. Answer D. 12. Next, CPU controls dash. A. Controls memory, B. Controls only input, C. Controls only output, D. All input, output and processing. Answer D. All input, output and processing. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವುದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಂಬಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಂಬಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನೇ ಆದರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.